Hello dear students, and welcome back to the online class or video. And in today's video we'll be learning about multiples and factors, which is in chapter 3. First, we will learn about the difference between multiples and factors. So what is a multiple? A multiple is a number that can be divided by any another number a certain number of times without a remainder. For example, let us take a number 7. So the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and so on. Okay, so moving on, what is a factor? A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly without leaving a remainder. For example, let us take a number 12. Now, 12 can be divided by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12 with no remainder. So the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12 itself. Say suppose if I want to check whether 3 is a factor of 12 or not. So what I can do is I will divide the number 12 with 3. So 3 4s are 12, right? And the remainder is 0. So that means 3 is a factor of 12. So moving on, let us do some questions from my practice time 1, which is in page number 39, question 1 and 2. In question 1, we have to find the factor of the given number, which is 36. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Note that when you divide 36 by any one of this number, then the remainder is always 0. So let us check. 36 divided by 6. I've taken a number 6 here. You can check it with any number, 4, 6, 12, 18, any number, okay? So when you divide 36 by 6, 6 times 6 is 36 and the remainder is 0. So the remainder is 0, therefore one of the factor of 36 is 6. You can check with another numbers as well, okay? So moving on to question number 2, B. What we have here is we have to find the first 10 multiple of the given number, which is very easy. You just have to multiply 9 10 times, okay? So the first 10 multiple of 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Note, while writing down at your fair copies, do not copy all. Just copy the ones highlighted with red color. That is the solution, okay? So moving on to the next topic, that is prime and composite number. So what is a prime number? A number which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself is called prime number. It will be more clearer to you guys if I give you an example. So let us take an example 13. 13 has two factors, that is 1 and 13 itself. In other words, we can say that 13 can only be divided by 1 and 13. You can check it for yourself. There are lots of other numbers which you can check it. So some other examples of prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, ... and so on. There are infinite numbers of prime numbers, okay? So note, 1 is neither prime nor composite number since it has only one factor, that is itself, right? And 2 is the only even prime number. You can check it. Every prime number are odd numbers except for the number 2. Okay, now moving on to another number, that is composite number. So what is a composite number? A number which have more than 2 factors is called composite number. Let us take an example of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. We can clearly see that there are more than 2 factors of 12. So we can say that 12 is a composite number. Moving on, some more example of composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, ... and so on. These are the numbers that has more than 2 factors. Okay, so let us do some questions from my practice time 1. Question number 3. What we have in question number 3 is we have to list out all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. So the solution is prime numbers between 1 and 50 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. So these are the numbers that has only 2 factors, that is the number itself and 1. Okay, so there is a little note for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to read it out. Dear students, I hope you are going through your previous notes. I had given to you the notes on divisibility rules. I want you all to go through those rules once again before doing this question. So you have to go through the divisibility criteria that I had given to you in the previous classes, okay, which will make you more clearer in doing or solving these coming questions. So what we have here is, which of these numbers are divisible by 6? So you have to find out whether 36,940 is divisible by 6 or not. So let us do the solution. For a number to be divisible by 6, the number has to be divisible by 2 and 3. So you have to check, first you have to check whether this given number is divisible by 2 and 3. So first let us check for 2. First let us check whether the number is divisible by 2. Since the last digit of 36,940 is an even number, the last digit in this case is 0. 0 is an even number, so 36,940 is divisible by 2. If you don't know this divisibility criteria, then please go through the divisibility criteria of 2. Okay, you will be clear. Now moving on, let us check whether 36,940 is divisible by 3 or not. So you have to add the digits of this number, and when you sum up this number, the sum up should be divisible by 3. Okay, so if you don't know the divisibility criteria of 3, then please go through it. Now moving on, the sum of the digit of the given number is 22, and 22 is not divisible by the number 3. Therefore 36,940 is not divisible by 3. Therefore we can say that 36,940 is not divisible by 6, since it is only divisible by 2 and not by 3. Okay, so moving on, what we have. Okay, so dear students, please go through all the notes that we have prepared for you. It's hard for us as well as you to study at home during this current situation. We are trying our level best to make your studies easier. Please try to do my practice time 1, and if you have any problem, I'm here to help you out. You can WhatsApp me or call me anytime. We will continue the remaining in the next class or video. Till then, complete